Today, we're exploring the south of Malta around Żurrieq. We'll start with a peaceful sunrise at Wied Fulija, then discover the Blue Grotto, a historic watchtower, and the colorful luzzu boats at the harbor. 4 stops that come together to make a perfect half-day adventure. We arrived at Wied Fulija just before sunrise, while the park was still completely quiet and the first light was only beginning to appear over the Mediterranean. What makes Wied Fulija especially remarkable is its past. This entire area was once a landfill, operating from 1979 until 1996. Today, the former landfill has been transformed into a 91,000 square meter green space, with more than 43,000 trees and shrubs planted as part of a €4.5 million rehabilitation project. Wied Fulija is less about sightseeing and more about slowing down. The quiet paths make it a beautiful place for a morning walk, a jog, or simply a peaceful moment by the sea. The project was designed not only to create a public space, but also to restore the area's biodiversity. Native vegetation was introduced, while nesting boxes and beehives support species such as the Maltese honeybee and Scopely's shearwater. Along the paths, information boards introduce some of the plants and wildlife found in the area, including one of Malta's native bee species.
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
And just a few minutes from Wied Fulija lies one of Malta's most famous natural wonders, the Blue Grotto. Its dramatic limestone formations and crystal-clear waters make this one of the most beautiful coastal spots in the south of the island. From the Viewpoint, You can see the dramatic limestone coastline and the small sea caves that give Blue Grotto its name.
Pretty pictures from the upward bound. When the thunder hits, it doesn't make a sound. World's in a hurry just to be let down. Wearing no worry like a wedding gown. Your body's on time, your body's on time. We made it, we made it. Your body's on time, your body's on time.
But the Blue Grotto isn't the only thing worth discovering here. Just a short walk away, a historic watchtower overlooks the coastline, offering sweeping views across the Mediterranean and towards the island of Filfla. From the tower, our path now leads down towards the coast. Passing small cafes and restaurants along the way, we gradually make our way towards the harbor, where traditional Maltese luzzu boats are waiting for their next trip out to sea.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
From the harbor, traditional Maltese luzzu boats take visitors out towards the Blue Grotto and its caves.
Moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Whatever
The crystal clear water also makes this a popular spot for swimming and snorkeling, especially early in the morning, before the boat traffic starts.
you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight.
For generations, boats like these have been part of life along Malta's coast. The luzzu is traditionally a fishing boat, instantly recognizable by its bright colors and distinctive design. Today, here at Wied Żurrieq, these boats carry visitors out to the sea caves of the Blue Grotto.
Watchtower.